What's up, guys? I figure I'd do a quick video here. Got the Daytons on. Obviously that makes me super happy. It's been quite a few months since I've had these wheels on here. Just the rain has been bad and I just haven't had the time working on the Sonoma and whatever. Tilt bed up and going. Control bags, you saw in the last video. Ended up putting a right angle fitting on one of the bags in the back there, so kind of got away from pushing on it a little bit. But here's the 88. We cruised it today. Went and broke some necks. It was fun. A lot of people noticed the Daytons were on, but we just have a good time with it, you know. It's a fun little toy. AC's working good. I installed some electric fans, got those wired up to a relay, so when I'm idling it cools about 45-50 degrees. It's pretty nice. So that's how we're living. Have a good weekend.